Welcome to the IT Jobs series. Today we're exploring the role of a backend developer. Backend developers work on the server side, building the hidden infrastructure that makes web applications run. They handle three main areas: working with databases to store and retrieve data, implementing business logic that processes information, and managing server infrastructure to keep everything running smoothly. Backend development is like the engine of a car. Users don't see it directly, but without it, nothing works. Backend developers build the server-side code that processes user requests, manages data, implements business rules, and ensures security and performance. They're responsible for everything happening behind the scenes that makes a web application functional and reliable. Backend developers can choose from many programming languages. Python with Django and Flask is popular for rapid development. Java uses Spring Boot for building scalable applications. Node.js lets you use JavaScript on the server. C# uses the .NET framework. PHP powers many websites with Laravel and Symfony. Go is used for high-performance systems. Each language has strengths, and developers choose based on project requirements. Databases are where applications store data. There are different types. Relational databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL organize data in tables. NoSQL databases like MongoDB and Redis offer flexible data storage. Graph databases like Neo4j are great for connected data. Search databases like Elasticsearch handle fast searching. As a backend developer, you need to write efficient queries, design proper data structures, optimize performance, manage transactions safely, and ensure data integrity so applications work correctly. APIs are how the front end and back end talk to each other. REST uses HTTP requests to get resources. GraphQL is a newer approach that lets clients request exactly the data they need. WebSockets enable real-time two-way communication for live features. gRPC is a high-performance binary protocol for microservices. SOAP is an older XML-based protocol still used in enterprise systems. Webhooks are event-driven callbacks that notify systems when something happens. Each API style serves different purposes. Business logic is the rules that make your application work. This includes validating user input to ensure data is correct, processing and transforming data into useful information, controlling who can access what through authorization, performing calculations based on business rules, and orchestrating workflows. Real-world examples include e-commerce order processing and payment verification, social media feed ranking and notification logic, and banking transaction validation and balance updates. Running servers requires infrastructure. Cloud platforms like Oz, Google Cloud, Azure, and Heroku host your applications. Docker and Kubernetes help package and manage applications in containers. DevOps tools automate deployment pipelines so updates go live smoothly. Security requires SSL encryption, authentication systems, data encryption, and firewalls. Performance needs caching strategies, content delivery networks, database optimization, and scaling to handle more users. Monitoring tools track metrics, send alerts, trace issues, and perform health checks. To succeed as a backend developer, you need strong technical skills: server-side programming, database design and optimization, API development, version control with Git, and testing and debugging. You should also master tools like Docker for containers, cloud services for deployment, and CI/CD pipelines for automation. Beyond technical skills, develop problem-solving abilities, communicate clearly with teammates, think in systems and architecture, pay attention to detail, and collaborate effectively. Finally, follow best practices, write clean code, implement security measures, and optimize performance constantly. The backend developer career path typically progresses from junior developer to mid-level developer to senior developer, then to tech lead, and potentially to architect roles. Job opportunities exist across different company types. Startups offer full ownership and rapid growth. Tech giants provide scale, resources, and interesting challenges. Enterprise companies offer stability and work with complex systems. You can also work as a freelancer for flexibility and independence. The demand for back-end developers continues to grow as technology becomes more complex. Here's your roadmap to become a back-end developer. Step 1. Learn fundamentals by choosing a programming language, mastering the basics, and practicing coding regularly. Step 2. Build projects starting small, then work with databases and create APIs. Step 3. Master DevOps by learning Docker, deployment skills, and monitoring tools. Step 4. Study system design to understand scalability, architecture patterns, and best practices. Step 5. Build a portfolio with GitHub projects, contributions, and work you can show employers. Step 6. Land a job by networking actively, applying widely, and preparing thoroughly for interviews.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.